COBB stuff is expensive, but it's super detailed.
Yeah, but if you spend a lot of money, then you get a free license plate cover. So.
Your access port is finally here. Maps are already on your access port. Check the quick start. So I guess like if I need like 93 or 91 or whatever I need, like whatever kind of gas I need, I guess it's already preloaded on there. So all I have to do is like just say this is the one I want, which is 93.
Yeah.
This is so.
I thought you said you wanted E85.
Well, eventually, but this is for now. Oh, I finally have a freaking key tag. It's so cool. It's kind of small, but I like it.
I almost ordered you one the other day. I'm glad I did.
Good thing you did.
Well, because I found one that was carbon fiber. It was really cool.
Oh, that's even cooler. You should.
And it said STI on it.
Look at this. Look how freaking sweet this is. Feel this. This feels nice.
Look at them working hands.
We have an entire team dedicated to making sure you are super excited about having some fun with your car. We really appreciate you chose us for your go. We really. We just got done installing the COBB intake. Now it's time to flash the access port on there.